welcome to the Glen at Park's Edge. Come on in. As you enter the Glen, you have 2 entry closets for storage and a half bath. Let's check out the kitchen. With the Glen floor plan, we decided to go with the current trends with the 2-tone cabinetry. You'll notice the darker island and white perimeter cabinetry. And then we also upgraded the countertops. This is a Cambria Quartz product, extremely durable for kitchens. And then we upgraded the appliance package to include the refrigerator and to have the Bosch stainless steel appliance package with the microwave oven combo and chimney hood. Right off from the kitchen area, we have a large pantry space. Tons of room for storage, along with your cabinetry. The Glen features an open concept, with your kitchen leading right into the dining area and living area. This open space also features 10-foot ceilings. One of the best features about this unit is the remarkable view of the downtown skyline in Columbus, of the riverfront and side of Maya. Let's go check out the bedrooms. Your guests will enjoy the beautiful skyline right from their bedroom. Let's head to the master bedroom. This master bathroom features 2 double sinks and a large vanity. And lastly, the second large master closet. Thank you so much for joining us on our virtual tour at Park's Edge. Please check out the website for more information on contacting a sales representative.